In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook pixel in Meta Business Manager. If you want to track website visitors, measure conversions, build retargeting audiences, and improve your Facebook ads performance, you need to create a pixel or dataset inside your business settings. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Business Manager. Log in to the Facebook account connected to your business, then make sure you select the correct Business Manager account before creating anything. Next, go to Business Settings. This is where Meta lets you manage your business assets, including ad accounts, pages, people, permissions, pixels, dataset, and other data sources. Inside Business Settings, look at the left side menu and find Data Sources. Click on it, then select Pixels or Datasets, depending on your Meta layout. In newer versions, Meta may show this as datasets instead of only pixels, because datasets can collect activity from websites, apps, offline events, and other sources. Now click Add to create a new pixel or dataset. Meta will ask you to enter a name. Choose a clear name based on your business, website, or project so you can recognize it later. For example, you can name it after your website or brand. After naming it, click Create. Meta will now create your pixel or dataset inside Business Manager. Once it's created, you may need to connect it to your ad account so you can use it for tracking and optimization inside Facebook ads. Next, select the pixel or dataset you just created and check the connected assets. Add your ad account if it is not already connected. This step is important because your ad account needs access to the pixel before you can use it in campaigns. After that, you can continue with the setup and install the pixel on your website. Meta may give you different installation options, such as using a partner integration, installing the code manually, or using Google Tag Manager. Choose the method that matches your website platform. If you're using a platform like Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, Wix, or another supported tool, the partner integration is usually the easiest option. If you're installing manually, copy the pixel code and place it in the header section of your website. Once the pixel is installed, go back to Meta and test the connection. Open your website, visit a few pages, and check if Meta is receiving activity from your pixel or dataset. If it is working correctly, the status should update and show that events are being received. Now you can set up events such as page view, lead, purchase, add to cart, initiate checkout, or contact. These events tell Meta what actions people are taking on your website and help your campaigns optimize for their results. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Facebook pixel in Business Manager using business settings and the pixels or datasets section. The main steps are simple. Open Business Manager, go to Business Settings, open Data Sources, choose Pixels or Datasets, create your pixel, connect it to your ad account, install it on your website, and test the tracking. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more Meta ads, Facebook ads, and digital marketing tutorials.